Oh, it's recording. Oh.
Yeah, it's recording. The good little Papa P. It's really small.
Fingers off.
I just want to see him puff. It'd be amazing. He has no teeth. Looks like my uncle. Who's a good little Papa P? Or my dad. He's got a puff for us. I can't say sausage. Where you going, Crab?
Crab stopped. Oh, it's this.
There's a giant hole in my body where my leg is. He's a good little fish. How's it chew? Who's a good little fish? Who's a good little rolled gummy fish? Who's a good giant little pig thing? Oh, who's a good giant pig thing? Who's a good little heavy
Shut
fish?
up. He's gonna move. Is he gonna move? Oh, yep, he's moving. Ever shut up.
Who's a good little heavy fish? Who's a good little, I don't know, line? Fish shade. Who's a good little fish?
Shut up, Matt.
Who's a good little seagull?
Shut up.
Got crabs.
He's moving. You ever shut up, Matt?
Yeah, the shaving cream, remind you, it probably would float away when he's trying to shave it. Oh, you scared him with the camera.
He's moving and I'm bored.
Do you think the longer they get, the more that shows how horny they are?
I'm definitely muting this video.
No, don't.
Towards it.